Hi everyone, my name is Napoli Roan and I'm a registered dietitian in New York City. I'm going to try the new H101 Huron juicer today. I've used Huron before and I absolutely love it. The juicers are small, they're easy to clean, and they really make the most nutritious, delicious juices. But I've never tried this one out, which has new juicing technology, so I'm really excited to give it a go. So the strainer looks totally different than the juicers I've tried before. There's no holes in it. So I'm wondering if that's gonna make the cleaning a lot easier. We'll see. So I can already see there are less parts here in the juicer. Can't wait to try it out. Recently, I've been loving including celery in my juices at home. It's super hydrating and helps to balance the body's pH and calm inflammation. So let's try juicing some celery here with lemon, apple, and dandelion. I love how quiet this juicer is. And it's so easy to use. And check out this pulp. It's so bone dry. That's what really you want to see in pulp. That means all the nutrients are actually in your juice and not left to the side of your juicer. This juice smells so good. I can't wait to try it. I drink a giant green juice every morning. It's part of my daily routine. I think of it as kind of like a super shot of nutrients right into my cells. Check out the color of this juice. So nice and green, yum. So fresh. And I love how thick it is. That's how you know all the nutrients are actually in the juice. But if you want to make a smoothie instead to keep all the fiber in, you can just use a smoothie strainer. But really, this tastes so delicious. All right. Let's try cleaning this baby. This is a serious upgrade in cleaning experience. You don't even need to use a brush. It's so easy. That took like 1 minute. So what's the verdict? The H101 Huron juicer made the perfect juice and it was super easy to clean. I'm psyched to use it at home for my daily juices, and I'm also excited to try it for things like homemade nut milks and soups. You guys should check it out too.
Make it easy to live healthy. Turn delicious and nutritious juice from fruits and vegetables into your reward. Eat, drink, and live well with Omega Juicers. With the Omega 8006 multi-purpose juicer, you can easily juice your favorite fruits and vegetables, preserving their natural flavors and nutrition. You can also squeeze juice from leafy greens, spinach, and even wheatgrass. Using the homogenizer, you can make fresh soy milk and almond milk, nut butters, fruit sorbets, all-natural baby food, fresh salsa, and extrude fresh pasta. Turn on the Omega 8006 system. Add your favorite fruits, vegetables, or leafy greens. The unique feature of the 8006 is the low-speed juicing, which enriches beneficial enzymes and nutrients normally lost in the average high-speed juicer. With 80 RPMs of slow juicing speed, the oxidation process is stalled, producing healthy juice with longer-lasting freshness. The Omega 8006 offers versatility with 6 nozzles for specific functions. Assemble the juicer in 5 easy steps. The 8006 cleans up quickly and reassembles in minutes. The Omega 8006 also comes with a 15-year warranty covering parts and performance. The Omega 8006 nutrition system delivers the greatest versatility in a juice system. Eat, drink, and live well with Omega Juicers.
In our busy lives, it can be difficult to find the time to get the nutrition we need from the food that we eat. In fact, about 90% of all people don't eat enough fruits and vegetables. Luckily, cold-pressed juice from the SoloStar 4 provides a quick and easy way to get the nutrients that we need. When we get the proper amount of nutrition, we look better, feel better, and have healthier lives. Beautiful and powerful all in the same package, the reinvented SoloStar 4 features an all-new, breathtaking design coupled with intelligent engineering. Its gorgeous body is wrapped around an efficient drive system that produces more power while using less electricity. The low-speed operation, cold press squeezing action, and increased juice yield help you maximize your daily intake of enzymes, vitamins, and nutrients. It is simply the best horizontal single auger juicer in the world. Due to its smart design, the SoloStar 4 crushes the competition by producing 26% more torque while using 10% less electricity. It has a gear reduction equivalent to a 5.4 horsepower motor. More torque means less jamming, and less electricity means more savings on your electricity bill. You even get additional savings by lowering your grocery bill, because the SoloStar 4 produces up to 40% more juice from your favorite fruits and vegetables. The sleek, compact, and modern design takes up less space while looking beautiful on your kitchen countertop. And since all food contact parts are made from BPA and BPS-free materials, you don't have to worry about exposing your family to harmful chemicals. Each SoloStar 4 also comes with a standard 15-year warranty, the longest warranty of its kind in the industry. At only 57 RPM, the SoloStar 4 is the slowest horizontal single auger juicer on the market. The slow and gentle juicing process virtually eliminates all heat and oxidation, preserving more essential nutrients and live enzymes. The class-leading auger size and dual-stage extraction process produce maximum juice yields. The Ultim auger is also 8 times stronger than other types of plastic, which allows for an aggressive auger design that makes it easy to feed your produce into the juicer. So you not only get better juice, you get more of it, all in an easy-to-use juicer. True beauty starts on the inside. Begin your journey towards a healthier, more beautiful you with the TriBest SoloStar 4.
Masticating slow juicer that can provide the ultimate nourishment your body's been waiting for. Achieve your well-being with Kuving's Masticating Slow Juicer. Innovative juicing screw that squeezes juice from all types of ingredients, maintaining all the nutrients and maximizing your juice yield. Another favorite feature of the Kuving's Masticating Slow Juicer: 8 different nozzles for food processing versatility. The juicer goes beyond juicing to make shaved ice, grind meat, and extrude delicious pasta. With frozen fresh fruit, try making 100% fruit sorbet that everyone will love. Kuving's Masticating Slow Juicer will brighten your morning with the freshest juice.